Hello! We are starting a new lesson. It's going to be a little different from our previous lessons. So far, we've been taking a topic for each lesson and learning signs for words related to that topic, right? But now, we are going to have a short explanation in this lesson on Indian Sign Language. We can finger spell it as ISL. So, let me give you some explanation regarding this. You've already come to know that it is a natural language and it is the very own language of the deaf people and it is used in communication, right? It is a very clear language. It has its own grammar. It's not just gestures or anything very simple, but it is an actual language, a complete language, just like various languages such as Telugu, Malayalam, English, and so on and so forth. So, Indian Sign Language is used by the deaf people in India. ISL is a visual language. We have words in English, Malayalam, and other languages. There are equivalent signs for these words in sign language. For example, you know the word house in spoken language. And there is a sign as well, which you already know. So, similarly, there are signs for every word that is spoken. Having said that, there are actually 5 components of sign language. So, Indian Sign Language also has its own grammar, just as any spoken language has. Okay, each language has different rules of grammar. Similarly, ISL also has its own set of grammar. Coming to the first component, it is called hand shape. There are different hand shapes which help give clarity to the signs. For example, there is flat hand shape, fist hand shape, V, bent V, etc. So they give clarity to the signs that we use. There is also this aspect of where a sign is placed, which is very important. It is known as location. It is the area where a sign is placed. For example, let's look at a word that we've already learned. This is the sign for white, pointing to the teeth, white. And then a figure drawn in the air as a round. When you combine these two signs, you get the sign for moon. So, the placement of the finger, the hand shape, is in 2 different places. Similarly, we have mother, father. The sign is placed on the face. Then there is tired, up, down. So the signs are placed in different areas. So this is also an important component. It has indeed been a lot of learning, hasn't it? That's perfectly fine, not a problem at all. Take time to practice, learn, reflect on how a spoken language is connected to sign language and what the similarities are. Yes, we understand it takes time, and we are here to support you and share all these with you. So, we'll stop this lesson here and we will have another session in addition to this to continue on the components of sign language. So, you'll be able to understand then a bit more and connect and check yourselves on that. So when we do our session 2, there'll be more clarity as more information will be added to this and you'll be able to understand better. Thank you. Bye-bye.